Hello, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. TVJ is set to premiere an all-new drama series, Scissors Cut, on Monday. The new series is set in a barber hair and nail salon and explores a combination of social issues, relationships, and humor that are authentically Jamaican. The new series is rated for adults only, as the discussions are racy, with each week exploring the complexities, pitfalls, and intricacies of relationships. Here is an E-Prime exclusive from episode 1.
So when you let it really have make sure I cuss you out this morning?
This old miserable sea turtle, me tell her it's a taxi fare raise. And she still won't pay me $100.
Where me forget it from? Me look like my business boy you fear a raise? All no one do are extradite poor people.
Woman, I know me. Government raise up everything, so what you expect taxi man to do?
Government raise everything except minimum wage. Where me forget money from?
E-Prime sat down firstly with the boss of the salon, Dawn, played by well-known actress Shola Collins, as she talks about her experience working with the likes of Aston Cook and Michael Holgate from the stage to the screen for the first time.
She came with her vision and she really embraced that, and she brought it to life with her many creative colleagues, and she brings a flavor, and she allows everybody else around her to bring their own flavor as well. I believe she gels a lot with every single smaddy, but I'm sure she has a little soft spot for one special one, and you're gonna find out when you watch the show which one that.
Local theatre actress Brianna Miller, who plays Kerry, the nail tech, gave us a rundown on the characters.
So I am playing Kerry. Kerry is the berry, sweet with a little spice. So that's Kerry. The other characters, we complement each other. So we have Dawn, who is more grounded. She's the auntie of us all. We have Letty, big personality, Chrissy, mischievous one, and Prep, the soul man, But he complements the female cast well.
Manager for the homegrown unit, Judith Alberga, spoke with E-Prime on the importance of local content like Scissors Cut to TVJ.
TVJ's homegrown unit was set up in order to create local content and create local compelling content. We've done documentaries, we've done cooking shows, we've done co-productions, and now this is the latest, a dramedy, called Scissors Cut, which takes place in a hair salon, and all the complexities that go with it. It's one of many things that are coming out of Homegrown Unit, and we're very excited to see the response.
Scissors Cut is written by Jamaican Crystal Blake and produced by Television Jamaica's Homegrown Unit. The 11-episode series is set to get tongues wagging at the water cooler after the show's premiere this Monday night at 9:30 p.m. Watch it. We're calling out all the ladies to Fame Frequency's Girl Code this Saturday as we wind down the summer series. Now grab your girls and party with us right here at the Sports Club, 32 Lyndhurst Road. Hope to see you on Saturday. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Have a nice weekend.